Okay, second part's of the update. Over to TLT now, long-term bonds. So it's 20 plus year, I'm pretty sure they only do 30s. And we can see, yeah, we've had quite a nice little pullback. It's still too early to say what's going on. I don't know, potentially, does that do anything? Okay, there's a bit of a line here, poked through, tested it here. So it might not mean an awful lot. Then you've got support zone just below. And then you've got this is your long-term trend. Actually, this has held for quite a while now, I think. If I go to the daily, let's pull that back. Yeah, potentially, if it is this line, this is held for quite a bit. And we come back down, we've gone under it and we're back up to it. So yeah, it could be a rejection point, could also be a move above it and a move up. What we'd like, obviously, is this move up, and probably eventually going up to here somewhere, probably, I don't know, by the end of this year maybe, or at least towards the end of this year. So what can we see? We've had this rapid sell-off. Oh, actually, look at that on the RSI. See, this is why I like doing these updates and not looking at the charts before. Look at that for, if you like your bullish indicators in your RSI, that is perfect. Look how low how deeply oversold that RSI indicator is here at the bottom, and then look how much higher this one is here, and that correlates perfectly with this bottom and this lower bottom here. So this divergence, you know, I don't normally use RSI divergence very often, but it can be a really good indicator when you get strong ones, and this is a strong one, obviously. So potentially, this is saying, yeah, okay, that bottom's really in. People are wanting to buy, and the strength's starting to gain. We see this movement. If we can break it, we'll probably get up above this level here, which would be what, 142-ish. This is when the buyers are probably going to start really coming back in, and things are going to get interesting with bonds. So it'd be nice if that can go. You've got to remember that the Fed are buying them as well, so it's kind of always going to be a limited downside, because, you know, the Fed needs to buy every single one of them, they will. So that's your TLT. What else? Actually, we'll look at Tesla, because everyone likes Tesla, and Elon Musk did a nice tweet, didn't he? Going to the 4 hourly, see what that's showing us. I mean, the daily didn't look too good, but the 4 hourly, potentially not looking quite as bad. It was looking good. We came up to here, we started filling this little bullish flag sort of position, and just sold off and it's came back down. So now we're getting descending pattern again, but decision time, I think. You've got a bit of support resistance here at 650-ish. So it might be that we've hit that and roll over and start selling off again with Tesla. But it could also be that we go sort of ride it and then move up. And then if we can get up to this sort of level and hold, then you can look to, you know, for Tesla to start going back up again. But personally, it's underneath the 100 period moving average. The 200's rolling over. I mean, this is the 4 hourly chart, not the daily, but so there's not, for now, the trend remains down really. Arguably bottom followed by a higher bottom potentially. It's a bit early to say. Yeah, I suppose if you like your RSI dive, you can see here, so you've got this low on the RSI correlates with this one, and then it's higher low here. You've got this divergence, and it comes straight up, which is good. It doesn't always work. And then because you can say, well, you've got this kind of zone here and this zone, so it's higher again, but then I don't know, we're just speculating. I don't think that's really an indicator on this one, to be honest. Like I say, it doesn't always work. So it's not giving too much away. I think this is going to be, your 650 is going to be the key level to watch here, I think. And if we get above that, the next key level is going to be somewhere around 700. If you can get to 700 relatively easy and hold that area, then yeah, I think we're going to possibly see a move up. But